Okay, now let's go to the next question. I think I would like to answer this one first. Okay, what is the difference between double and float? In the video, Dr. Tan said the double is for bigger numbers. What does that mean? Okay, uh, floating and double is almost similar in terms of it provide a floating format number. What I mean is floating format number is not integer. Okay, you can have a 1 point something or 2 point something. So both floating floating numbers can be inside both float data type as well as double data type. Okay, it's different from the integers because integers only can store the round number. You can have 1, you can have 2, you can have 3, but you cannot have 3.5, 3.512. So you cannot have that. So but there's a difference between float and double in terms of yes, it's I agree with Dr. Tan because double is more high position than float because the double itself can have a wide more broad range than float. Okay, this one you can again you can try to find from the other source as well. Okay, you just can google float versus double and actually you can get a lot of informations there. Yes, there are a lot of informations there. What is different between float and doubles? You will see that the double have a more wider range number that can be whole as compared to float. Okay. Okay, like this one, you can see that floating point numbers can be acceptable. Like I said before, both floating point numbers can be accept or can be included with if you can declare that variable as a double or as a float, but in terms of which one can give you a wider range. Okay, double is more than than the float. Okay, so you can see there. Okay, this is the difference there. So it's that you have a double position, this one is single position. So again the difference is because of in computer memory this double number, if you declare some variables with double type with type double as compared to some variable in floating data type. So the double required double memories inside your computer to be stored because because of to support that wide range of number as compared to float. But again, both format will accept can accept floating numbers. Okay, it's in that is in contrast with the integers because integers you can only have a round number or decimal number. You can have 10, 11, 12, but you cannot have 10.1 or 10.5. So that one to need to be stored in variables. Either that variable is belong to double data type or float data type.